So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I'll teach you how to create product advertising animation with using Blender. Guys, in this tutorial, I'm not using any third-party add-on and plugin for this tutorial, right? So firstly guys, see that's my animation. And also guys, I show you my one frame render. See guys, that's my beautiful render. Guys, I'm creating bubbly effect, right? Okay, so guys, this tutorial really easy for beginners. And now guys, I teach you how to create this type of effect. So firstly guys, I create new project like this. And now guys, delete all assets, right? And guys, next step, I'm using Face Wash 3D model. And this is my Blender Kit add-on. So type Face Wash, face and wash, enter, right? So guys, go to on here. So it's my free first check. So I like this product. This product fit for my work. So simple click, right? And increase scale size. So go to on here. See guys, that's my scale size. So scale size like a 15 randomly. Yeah, 15 is good, right? Okay, so guys, now next step, I create bubbly type of effect. So guys, for bubbles and create new collection and type like a sphere. And guys, go to on here. This is my mesh and use echo sphere, this one, and increase subdivision surface, this one, and default is 2 and take a 3 and radius I like 0.4. Yes, right? See guys, that's my sphere, right? And guys, right click shade smooth. So go to on here. And now guys, I create more duplicates. So simple method guys, go to on edit mode. Here, edit mode check and click on here. This is my wireframe. And guys, select all, right? Select all and shift D. Shift D, it's copy. And also guys, I'm using this time this one, screen check. Yeah, right? Okay, so this add-on is perfect for shortcut. And guys, go to on here and select all, right? And also guys, you can select only one face and press L, selection all, right? And shift D. Guys, I'm creating duplicate, right? It's really simple. Yes, perfect. And guys, you can apply more. Also guys, you can change sphere size like this. It's dependent on your work. Okay, but this is good. And guys, also select all sphere and shift D, apply on left side. Yes, right? See. Okay, so guys, but this pair is not a randomly position. So guys, simple, select this one's pair, press L and shift to only location like this. Select face, only one face, press L and go to on here randomly, right? It's simple. Yes, perfect. And go to on here. Guys, it's take a little bit time. Yes, good. Right? And go to on here. L. Yeah. And lastly, guys. Yes, perfect. Right? See. It's my sphere. And now, guys, same step on here. Press L. And go to on here. So, guys, closer. And here. Yes. And go to on here. Guys, I'm using randomly change only position sphere. Yes. Go to on here. And again. And lastly, guys, press L and go to on here. Yes. Okay, so guys, now I change only location on all spheres. Right? And next step, guys, I apply this time force field effect on here. So press 1 and go to on here, add, and use this time force field and force check. So go to on up, like this one, Z1 1.5. Yes, and force check. And guys, also I increase frame like a 350. 350 is good. And now, guys, go to like here, 50, here 60. And force field, go to on here and strength 0 and check. Guys, go to like 100 frames, 100 and strength -50 and check. Yes, good. Right? So guys, see, that's my simple force field effect. And next step, guys, I apply this time cloth effector tool on spheres. So guys, go to on here. This is my cloth. And guys, apply quality step. I like 10. And go to on here. This is my pressure. Pressure, same guys, 10. And go to on here. So guys, collision. Quality, I increase more like a 10. And self collision check. Guys, you can change also distance depending on your work. And friction. Friction, I like 0.5 is good. And field weight. Field weight, guys, gravity is 0. Yes. So guys, now I apply collision effect on this one. This is my object, right? And guys, I apply this time some product you can join like this and right click, join check. Yes, perfect. And select this one. This is my collision object. So apply collision. Yes. And now guys, play this animation. Yes. After 50 frame, it's changing position like this. Yes. Right? See guys. Okay. But guys, my bubbly effect is not correct because my collision is not perfect. So guys, select this one, sphere, and go to on here, distance. Guys, you can increase distance. So you can increase like a 0.5. Okay. So guys, same problem. My sphere is not collide properly, right? And go to on here. This is my object collision distance. And guys, same 0.05, right? And one more time, guys, you can create catch and break all check. It take a little bit time. Okay, so guys, my close simulation baking is finished. I show you my work. So guys, see, that's my bubbly effect. And guys, my sphere is not working properly. So don't worry guys. I have one more option. And guys, go to back and delete bake check. So now guys, select this one. So guys, you can delete this cloth, right? And go to on here. This is my face wash collection. And guys, I create one more object. So go to on here. This is my cylinder. Guys, my object shape is cylinder. So I take one more cylinder and guys press this time 64. Yes, you can increase more vertex like a 120 also good. Yes, and press 1 and click on here. This is my wireframe. So guys, go to on here. Yes, guys, I create shrink wave effect and smaller like this. Yes, guys, I'm creating this time collision object. So go to on here, edit mode, select this time vertex and go to on up like this, right? Guys, I create this time one more object. So select this one, top face, right? And press Ctrl B, enter, and width size increase. So press 1. Yeah. And guys, increase segments like this. Guys, more, change. Yeah, good. Right. And guys, you can change also segments. Yes. Right. See guys, that's my simple outer shape. And same step guys, go to on here, select this one and last and same, select this one, bottom, vertex, Ctrl B, enter, and width size increase like this. Yeah, perfect. Right? See. Okay, so guys, this time select face and click on here. I select this face and guys, right click, use inside face and inside face like this. Yeah. And extrude, press E like this. And again, press I and extrude, check. Yes, and up. Actually, E, up. Right? And press this time wireframe. And guys, little bit smaller. And select this shape. And little bit increase size. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so guys, this step is complete. And guys, but my top face vertex is not correct. So select this face and delete, face delete, and select top edges like this, right? And go to on here, face, and fill grid check. Yes, that's it, guys, right? It's really simple. And now, guys, this is my cylinder, top cylinder, and go to on here. You can hide. See, guys, it's my cylinder, right? This is my main cylinder, and it's my collider object. It's my new. So, guys, I apply shrink wrap effect and go to on here, and this my here deform and shrink wrap check, and object is cylinder, this one. Yeah, that's it, guys, right? And my collision work will be perfect finish, and go to on here, and you can delete this collision, all this one cylinder. Yeah, collision. See, guys, that's my collision object, right? So you can delete, go to on here and delete collision, apply collision on top face, this one, this my new, and collision check. Yes. And now, guys, one more time, you can hide on render, and one more time select this one, sphere, and cloth check. So guys, cloth quality step I like 10, and go to on here pressure 10, and go to on here quality 10. Yes. And self collision check. Yes. So guys, and gravity 0. And lastly, guys, bake all dynamic check. After baking, guys, I show you my final preview. Okay, so guys, my final baking is finished. And one more time, play. Maybe this time sphere will be fixed. Yes, perfect. Right? See, guys, it's my perfect work. So guys, you can increase frame and go to one delete bake check, and like a 350, and guys delete, right? So guys, my collision is perfect. And now, guys, I apply this time bubble effect. So guys, go to on here, I create new collection for lighting and background. So plane check and go to down and increase scale size like this. So go to on here, select this face, select this edge, and guys, press E and G, enter, and go to on up, select this edge, and I apply this time bevel. This one, generate bevel check, and bevel amount 0.2, enter, and segments are like 30. Yes, perfect. So guys, I change render settings, cycle, divide GPU check, and SAM like a 320. And guys, now I apply HDRI image for lighting. So go to on here and go to on environment texture. This one, this my HDRI image. Download from, I download from Polyheaven, and strength 1 is good. So guys, you can take a camera, select, and camera check, and guys go to back. So up, press 0. Yes, guys, you can set your camera angle. So little bit back and down and more. Yes. And guys, I create a camera animation. Go to on here. Yeah, don't worry, guys, I'm not create baking. So guys, closer like this, and like a -5 like this, and check. So go to like 100 frames, 100, and go to back like this, like -12. Yeah, and check, right? Okay, so guys, play. Yes, that's it. Okay, so guys, now all is good. And guys, again select this pair. You can create particle effect also. So guys, for particle, I create new collection. So type bubble check. And guys, I'm using this time sphere, UV sphere, and sphere, guys, sphere segments increase like 64, 32 and 0.1 and go to on here. See guys, that's my inner bubble and right click, set smooth. Yes. Okay, so guys, next step, select this one and I create this time baking and bake all dynamic check. After baking guys, I apply particle inside bubble particles. Okay, so guys, my baking is finished and now play. Yes, perfect. Guys, my bubble effect is perfect, right? But guys, one problem. This collision is not work properly. Yeah. So don't worry guys. Go to back and guys delete bake check. You can change only position. So this one and guys go to our edit mode. Select face and little bit change position. Yes. This one change position like this, right? Okay, so guys, and also select this one. This is my sphere and guys you can increase face wash. Select right click, select objects and little bit up, little bit. Yeah, good. Okay, so guys, one more time. I show you my baking and bake all dynamic check. Yes, perfect. Guys, baking is finished and now play. Go to on here. Yes, great. Right. So guys, my bubbly effect is perfect. And I show you my work. Yes. And now guys, I apply this time particle inside bubbly particles. And guys, select this one, sphere. And go to on here. This is my particle. Particle check. And number, guys, increase like a 3000. Go to on back. 3000 particles. And guys, see, emitter. Guys, I apply here. Yes. And guys, this my hair length. Don't need smaller. And go to on here. This my render. Guys, as render, I apply collection. Where is my collection? This is my bubble collection. And bubble check. Yes. Press 1. See guys, that's my inside bubbly face. Right? So click on here. So I increase this time sphere scale size like this. Like a 0.15. And you can increase 0.2s depending on your work. Yeah. And guys, object rotation check and random scale increase like this. Right? And guys, now, guys, see, my object particle is not correct properly inside. So go to on here. This is my source and emit from. I apply volume check. Yes. See guys, all particle inside in sphere, you can increase jitter amount. So little bit more like this. Like a 1.5 is perfect. Yes. See guys, that's my bubbly effect. Right? So guys, that's it. My final work is finished. And guys, you can create play. Yeah, all is perfect. And guys, play. Yes. See guys, that's my inside particle bubbles. And now, guys, I show you my beautiful lighting. So guys, for lighting and create simple particle, actually select this one sphere and I apply this time subdivision surface for more smoothness. Yes. And guys, level viewport 2 and 2. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so guys, next step, I create this time material. So select and guys, use base color. Guys, this is my render preview. And my bottle color is yellow. So I take yellow material for background. And like a 0.01, not 0.1. And guys, saturation increase like this. Yes, little bit down. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this color is perfect for my background. Guys, now I create material for this pair. So select this pair And color white, I take little bit of white 0.1 and little bit change color like this and this one. Yes. And guys, roughness 0 and base color, guys, hue 0.01 and guys, saturation and increase little bit increase like this, like more. Yeah, this value is good and value little bit more. Yeah, good. For my this one object, guys, roughness is good. Iowa 1.333 and go to on here, guys, transmission weight 1 check. Yes. See, that's my bubble effect. So material like bubble. Yes. And same material, guys, I apply this one inside face, inside bubble, check. Yes. Great. Right? See guys, that's my bubble effect. Okay, so now guys, again select this particle and guys, my inside bubble radius is too much. So guys, go to on here and random scale, actually scale 0.15. Yeah, 0.15 is good. And now guys, I apply this time beautiful lighting. And first light, guys, I apply this time create new collection. Guys, I'm using this time point light and up. Go to on here, this side. And guys, power like a 1000. Radius I like increase like a 2. And guys, duplicate this light, shift D, enter, go to on here. So click on here. Right, see guys, that's my side light. This one, this is my point light, and this one point light. And I'm using HDRI lighting. And third light, guys, I'm using this time front light. So for front light, I'm using area light. So go to on front and rotate like this 90. And guys, scale size 5 and power like a 300. Yes. So play and guys, click on here. So guys, now I show you my one frame render. So render image check. Yeah, perfect. See guys, that's my final render. Right? It's looking really beautiful. And guys, you can change also camera size resolution 1080 and 1920. Yes. So guys, play. Yeah. And guys, little bit more. And guys, select this one, camera up. Yeah, perfect. So guys, play. Okay, guys, too much. And little bit closer. Yeah, this position is good. -9. Enter. Yes, perfect. Right? See guys, that's my final work. And guys, lastly guys, I show you my one frame render. Okay, so guys, my work is finished. See guys, that's my final render. It's looking really beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, work is finished. So if you like my video, please share and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this project file, link in description. So thank you.